Kublai P Baro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat ki bakong san menta kasngi kilong. Dawa kiseng bhalang South Garo Hills ban penkendria no yau DTO. I scholarship ka Meghalaya iwe Samla pule BSc Hospitality naman ki blog. Sop la I contract ya ka Surak Mauplang Science and Commerce College. But Khot ka MAWA yaki Riu Bang Kharwat Kti ban wan yakun Shillong College. Bat mentang ni pai shiki Khubor ki bakham banya. Kiseng bahalang na South Garo Hills ki bakentup ya ka FKJGP, GSU, ADA, AYWO, NGCO, AHAM, GSMC ban APA kilaya teli mlon ka we ka but ka bor ban dawa na kibor ka Transport Department Sarkar Meghalaya ban penkendria akamno yau District Transport Officer na Bakmara shaki we pat ki Jaka bat ki district ka Meghalaya. Kini ki kenhon kila pentip sya DC kum ukle ka district ya ka jing bam sab bat ka jing alhya jong DTO ban pendem yala ki kam ki jam. Ban penstat ya ka jing penkendria akam ya DTO. Kini kiseng kila penlong da ka padan lenti ban khang ya kinong tre bat ya ki padba ban let nitur sya DTO office na du ka artarik Nailur. Kino yalam bahak khmat jong kini kiseng ki bakentup ya FKJGP General Secretary Chunang Ar Marak, AYWO President Chungai Cheng Marak, bat GSMC General Secretary Krang Seng Sangma. Ki khmi lenti baki bor bahak kli kin pentre kam kloy ya kane ka jing dawa jong ki.
Bak mana?
Ambang sila.
Bak mana?
Ambang sila.
Singna niglek hagba officer ko.
Nangja.
Singna bak mana niglek hagba DTO ko.
Nangja.
Bak mana ni DTO ko.
Nangja.
Bak mana?
Ambang sila.
Bak mana?
Ambang sila.
DTO ko.
Nangja.
Tarakin. Asiga sotang bangsina. Bakba angni karamska tentang organisation ini rebai bakoreng bangni jongpa angni alatang angni karamska sakanti sakprakwa tentang macam cela iki ya somoyo anjeng ya office picketing ko kaingon anjeng anjingni je demand ba je kamko dakchina anjeng administration ko dabi ngajam dua ko dakyo kuza de bed yan ching education ang kodon tuang janan apsan dake dalo anjeng jelma kumongi ya office to ribae dukko sukko sakeba dengen smoba ribae no bakrama ha apsan dake tinalba anjeng scuba jiuni aba singe ya biapon anjeng education ang ko anjeng office picketing ang ko aba singang pultagen dige dalo anjeng dengtang organization ni del parang donga wadil keparang naba ngadeng tamansa ya anjingni district transport officer ni kosako merak apa ning kandirang ko anjing public maning acem ba anjingni South Garo Hills ni songdong pa anjingni maafarang jonggoban ugobarang mai ka ning kandirang ko maning acem bisong ba anjingna talat pachina katanga bisong na ba somai ko nangya skang panga GSU ni General Secretary Mr. Sengrak T Sangbana ka somai ko nang siya.
Matela, so may ko unanina. Kang ba, ang sa tayo nukuba isol ko matela. Kaya namagpa weather na. Pangiyakan jo mo, point on yang na. Dalo ya adal gani koklik bunga September gani tarik. Kaya ro nga ya DTO office makango office picketing ko kaya ha. Yung office picketing kaniyo nga namin masuta ha. Di ba sini office picketing kani dalo matugin yan yung ja di ba sini giban singa kainga cham ya ko susukta kengkeng na singa ya office picketing ko kangen nigi sepon district administration ni kita mamang response mang dong kuja tao depete ya sumoyo depete di ba tarang ngo bak dalo mayong gen kude wi kuja di ba wasan anti gebak response 동작인 지목을 대신한 안티기 먹박하긴 지금 나가는 지금 인디펜던트 봉황하긴 니바야산 지금 디만사라 옹조 이안스니 박마라 South Girls ni District Transport Officer yani kosak
Ka sorkar Jylla haka artarik Nailur kala pelat padba ya ka song pisa ne ka scholarship ka ban plela ya ka way ni way usamla pule naman ka block ban pendep ya ki jing pule ki ba shajrong haka subject hospitality ya ka ni ka scholarship la jer kerteng Chief Minister's Hospitality Scholarship Program da ka ni ka scholarship la plela ya ki Samla ban siu ya ki jinglut jingsep ban pendep ya ka jing puli BSc Hospitality but Hotel Administration ha ki Indian Hospitality Management. Ka jing thmu bakong san ka ne ka scholarship kalong ban kirshan jinglut ya ki Samla ki ba puli ya ka ne ka phang jing start khnang ban mi bon ki Samla ki bala pentebet ya ka ne ka phang bat ka kerdan puli.
Of the Chief Minister's Meghalaya Hospitality Scholarship Program. The objective of this scholarship program is to encourage entry into higher professional education in hospitality, to guide and nurture youth for global opportunities and strengthen the state's skilled workforce in the hospitality sector. There will be 100% tuition fee support for students pursuing the BSc in hospitality and hotel management at IHM Shillong. Beneficiaries will be drawn from all blocks of Meghalaya. 55 students will avail of this free support from the government of Meghalaya. One from each block, each meaning 55 students from one from each block for 3 consecutive batches, meaning altogether we will cover 165 students. The students must be permanent residents of Meghalaya with having cleared class 12 with English as a subject and whose family income annually is below rupees 3 lakhs with valid certificate. There will be no age restriction. The nomination of the students will be based on merit and interest nominated by the BDO, and the final selection will be done at the level of the state level selection committee. The tuition fee will be fully covered by government of Meghalaya, where the total investment for supporting this initial 165 students over 5 years is rupees 6 crore 65,000 6 lakh 56,475 6 crore 6 lakhs 57,475 rupees for 165 students, meaning that we are investing around 3.67 lakhs per student. So the students will have to cover hostel, mess, uniforms and other incidental costs.
Uba dispersing rani unong wa jingtip yaki kam ka sorkar lengba ka right to information RTI ulayat ho baki contractor hamau plang subdivision PWD kila od yaka jing bate kam contract sop ban shna yaka surak ka ban poi hamau plang Science and Commerce College kabajalan kilometer bat kabalamang jinglut lai point arpu khandai kelur tengka ban pendap yaka lengba ka RTI uni urang ba ulapan pau ka jinglingo balakot tender tanghapo arsi amsham lapan benapat ba amsham wa hanotes board bat amdon kanu ka jing ai jing tip ka basai kumbala jule haki tender sorkar naka department PWD nalor kata ulaong Shwaban IT allot work order ki kontraktor kilawan the mau saling mau ria hakani ka surok kani ka pen isai bala bati sop yaki kam tang hapedeng ki baya iet yathon bat ki baya jan bat ki he sorkar
Untuk melihat soal dengan RTI dan PWD jom Moplan Division di Khubor Sukia ini DBE juga Jimmy Preston dari kontraktor nanti report ini hoi kiba 8 pau dah jing sokia halor ka jing yokam buat ke jing light bill tang kiberiu badan jide kita high level kita bayang aku aktivis halor ka kam ti ho ay lade ngamla ban yarap marngaro de beriu bal insta kontrak adu kandai kunyo ako PhD di irrigation. Kita nak ada bang don ka iko ni dari jenis ni orang masih bang ngampak bentuk politik, ngampak penyedai engineer, tiada mentah dah tekam dengan juga akhirnya. Yang lagi ngamlak banyak. Dari kiwi juga long victim, halor kita ke high level dahsyat, kuat banyak aktivis. Di Hawaii begini, apa mau pelang ayo komplain dari kontraktor bah laom bah hamu pelang jing yo kam apa ketika suruk napa mau pelang apa ka college commerce and science kiyo berkio kam dan kita beri baidon berkaidon jadi bah surka berkata ka kam kalau baat kilometer ini berestimate apa yang mulai keluar apa kendai lagi. Thì halor cái này cái chính cần nọ cho cái nông dân sống thì bạn này cần doctor bạn là đơn rồi cái chính lịch cần nọ và xóa bạn alot ya kamu là đơn cái chính hệ pada rumah asrok srok na thay ra thì đơn pon này luôn cái press của inspect luôn cái mau số số ada hệ và xóa bạn alot ya kamu awak nak kena dengar Malaysia pusat terus ni ni ya tak jumpa mau nak aslam abang keliau dan mana lah teh di mau aslam ala teh ti hamili begini kaji kena matrai nak ada sekamram jom engineer berkamram juga komen dan bersyah kata ti hadir mengalih hati ai ngelap pas dahsyat kini kaji tendang nama tak ada kam like lur napo mau pulang ada college kurang 8 kilometer tam kalau untuk sisi kata tang pra tarik hadu kendai tarik banai banyu pra bat kendai kemudian kalau asli kejing kendai dari sosi banyak tu sisu ba hal halor kali kendai notis kam sendon kata kejing bu apa notis bu jadi kam sendon kata kejing aji ikut Khubor na benda bentik kamsah lo ini. Nanti kemudian kita jadi patch pada website yang perlu nama dia tentang kam. Dasar kani ka jing yola nanti ka jing aila di suaka.
Kumshi benta ban penkre ya kan National Games ka ban Long House nam 8,000 arpuh nyau ha Meghalaya na kalyang juga Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association MEWA kalaya wer ki Samla ka Jylla sya ka jinge kun kti ka ban sedang nadu ka arpuh nyau tarik Nailur hadu saw tarik Risau 8,000 arpusan ka ban Long Shillong College. Habakran hakilat pathai Khubor Shillong Press Club ha ka ar tarik Nailur u president ka MEWA ba Kunstar Kharbuli Ulaong. Kani kadai ka kabuk siar re kinong ya lekai ka Jylla ban wan shim benta ha kani ka jinge kun kerwat kti nadu ki khana school ki college bat kinong trai office sarkar ba pher ki gymnast bat baro ki tu ki babang ya kani ka sports
te college ko ni bro te ngiwan hanin da singi ko ban ai ga along advertisement namta kani ka event ka man salong menta tengah du napo tadi police department yang invite terpang ki antami police da jong suan kong saka ni ka event ka Meghalaya State Open tengah banlong haka apa kena tarik hadu punya hadu south tarik te tanya ka police department meng invite ya kiwi department ru kani ri kabuk sia official ba pinyawan simentas banyak simentas saka ni ka event kena bangin yo jet nama tak kini kiban yang nampak dengan national game kebanong apo arja kunyo tangatai kulisibun
nga wi ni kat yang ka Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association Meghalaya ko putih baca piwa da gani ka scouting arm wrestling do wuri ka Meghalaya nadu ki college nadu ki school nadu ki firm kini ki corporate government office Boro daw em ka jing select ka scouting ni bah kini ka national game ni bah daw man ka first time do India when we la wato wacha include ka national game kini ka arm wrestling te di ni ko ong pi wa one chakmat one yele ke daw em ka senior category hai em junior mi em senior te so one daw man ka nadu ka arthadu trik hadu ka so trik yang ka long bana October heta po Shillong College dan kerpa di puro inong ileke de kwa pi chimenta so one ile chimenta ka ni ka jing ileke arm wrestling Khubor kan por to kan nadu kendiu ji step adu manadat tei cha nduje nyawaje ro just ibu cijar
Kerana lah yang ngore.
Media station kami tip kamawa ya kami aimu berkumpul macam semua kau di kendaraan ya kami lah event ini Jylla kai Muslim ya kami yok mentah jadi nang national game dia pun tak nak lihat untuk kamawa ni pernah baca di Khubor ya kami sedang syua dan kata jing scouting lembah orang kita jadi rasu kata long ke college apa kami sedang berkelas dengan Shillong itu lagi universiti pilot kita juli kabar dan ke office apa ini bentuk lagi pilot kot yang di distrik Bokeh dengan pencarian desi tian baru kunjung tian enam pada kunjung itu benar dekat di dalam ini balik sign language apa wala reach out ya tadi kita pernah paro dari hari dari PhD dari Jylla ya ka value in Shillong hangge po Shillong College di dalam bulan September lalu new tarik ada gawe India po Shillong College contractor harus sampai
UCEM JHADC Albinus Marak ulapan pau hakinong tre Non-Gazetted Employees Association ban sedang siu no yaki tulop nadu unai wing ban wan daka jingerap bat jingkershan ke sorkar Jylla. Ula jingan tiaw haba ki rekod ke NGEA kila dawa badai ban siu lut shisen siu yaki tulop ki bala sateng menta la palat sau pulai benai. Albinus ula kular ban siu lengkot shisen siu na marka JHADC kamdan pisah hatup jongka. Ula ong, shen ka JHADC kan sakrong keliang ni panram na kiway pat kiseng ban bay pisah keliang ya ka JHADC. Kumba ka pau syai na ka jing terwa jong menteri rangba konrat ki sangma dangshen ban bay tulop no ka sorkar nadu unai wing ya kinong tre Autonomous District Council ADC lada ki menjur kanum tenrong ya ki tulop nong tre ki basateng menta la sau pulai benai. Mentala ar benai tam ka NGEA kala penlong ya ka jingya ki sange tre. Yo I na yo sngo uwe udukot ka executive committee jong ka JHADC unwan banyakran bat kinong yalam jongka. Menta balajan ke election banjit MDC bathamai kidukot ka EC kentup ya UCEM kilawan banyakran bat kinong yalam kani ka kunhun nong tre ha JHADC. Amla bantip ni mudur hakanu karukom ki rekod ka EC ki MDC bat ki officer ki yo tulop karba ya ki nong tre rit kerdan ki nut bat kim patiau ban siu tulop ya ki kalong ka jingkeli ka ba ban juba
अच्छा ताऊ ये चीज़ से नहीं पर जागने ऑन आ मेन प्लेइंग हम ini dia micro solution apa na sensing
Daw ya education ka inga pa jagan yung bibing jok chenga thangba masia. Daw ya solution ko rabana gatan chenga Chief Minister si angimeng Chief Minister baksa meeting ani ko dakjok. Daw dia meeting o Chief Minister ba ya bailout package ko na gata November jawni depet salary ko na simana regular unganok ngaba ko assurance ko onachok. Absan dake ya backlog ni gaman ba chngni kita statement kon jok na sungna ya backlog ko daw jabung ani ko nate ansingni on panoni ko je kon ansing salantini revenue collection aro plus state ni sel major minor aro MB tax yarang ni ko chmonge na sungna ya backlog ko ba clear kagen ne chunga bisongna NGA rangna agana hachim aro plus chingni aganan baksana Chief Minister ni statement ko ba knaingen public rangba Chief Minister ba statement na या backlog ko clear khana gata finance reform ko daken aro committee rang ko form khai mungna committee rang chanchie kam ko khai ya backlog ko clear khagen gaba katarang ko agana thachim
Yep. Isungara deman khainga backlog ni sandipa wa November jawni na ma kote mamu da kebe isungara khana chakte uni gi seko na simara mai takpa dingthang ko step up khana singa chingso
daw nibo ya hada matang ba si setting ba dunga ya backlog ni aganon chingni salary na hajar gni kolgrek gni bulsi ni February jawna de pet chinga salary ko ningamo dawdi ya November jani salary ko ba November je kon chief minister November jao salary onatna mingachim ya salary ba daw chinga hajar gni kolgrek gni ni February jawna na ha ade November ni salary ba je kon November lo natna mingachim iya ba hajar gni kolgrek
Kajing pen kre ya ka National Games ka Banlong ha Meghalaya House nam 8,000 nyaw kalayat shat mentah nadu ki jing te ya ki madan ya lekai hadu kajing pen kre ya ki nong ya lekai Uba Shakliar Warjri Menteri ki kam sports ulayat ho ya kane ha ki nong tho Khubor Ula ongru ka Meghalaya ka sngo scam bat ka tikna bakane ka National Games kan long ka ba phu ba phing bat ka ba shongkun naga banta ki Samla jongkari ki ban ban shim banta ha ki jingya ko babon jan ula ong artatin ki jing pen kre na kalyang ka sarkar Meghalaya kin long ki baya habdur bat ki bajanai ki ban sa kan mau ha ka history jongka sport ha ki snam ban wan
A meeting that was held with all the northeastern states, my counterpart from Arunachal and other northeastern states as well. So the meeting was where we have decided to bring that sense of inclusiveness amongst us northeastern states. So we have decided to give each state discipline to be held in their respective states. So the meeting was held regarding that and how to promote sports in the entire northeastern regions. So I cannot give you the full statement of the outcome because as of now the talks are still ongoing, it's still under process. So once we come to a final decision, then only I can make a statement or give you a comment. Most of the projects are still ongoing. Specifically, if you ask for the national games, in terms of infrastructure, like I've always said it, that as a state we are fully equipped. But yes, of course, once again, we do need to improve some certain infrastructures, and it's a process that's still going on, and we're still looking if there are other infrastructures that are needed. The state government will come up with it. About promoting sports as a whole, or specifically these disciplines that will be played in the national games. If you've looked at it, I think from the last program that we had where we dispersed all the money to all the associations, that was one of the major steps that we've taken. That is, with that thought in mind to promote these associations, promote these disciplines. So we've given them the liberty, we've given them to utilize that money to go to all the district and have trials in their respective disciplines. So that is one of the steps that we're taking. But then, of course, time and again, you see us having so many programs in terms of sports. We have the STAR program, that is also one of the major steps.
Menteri ke Tourism ba Polindo ha ka atarik Nailur ulapan benapat ba yaki program tamasa ha ke ni ke Jylla kapan sedang nadu urisau hadu bakut unopra hajar pusan. Kini kita masa ki kentup ya ka Meghalaya Kayak Festival 7th Aho 4x4 Off-Road Challenge ha urisau nangta ka Shillong Cherry Blossom ka Shillong Literary Festival bat Megong Festival ha Naiwing bat penkut da ka Winter Tales ha unopra menta usnem bat enbod sa ka lekmen snem thamai hajar punriu hala ijong iyeng isem.
With the formal launch of Meghalaya's Autumn Calendar 2025, highlighting various upcoming events as part of our continued effort to elevate tourism as a sector. So we have the Mega Kayak Festival, October 14 to 18, the 7th hour 4x4 off-road challenge, October 23rd till 25th. The Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, November 14 till 15. Shillong Lit Fest, November 20th till the 22nd. Meghalaya Festival, November 28 and 29. And Winter Tales, December 11th till 13. I would request that these copies be circulated to all of you. Let me also update you on Cherry Blossom. I'm joined by our Director of Tourism from Venda Patentin and Jason Manners, who has been with Rockski, part of the organization, which has partnered with Tourism Department over the past many editions of Cherry Blossom. So this time around, as you are aware, the festival will be held at Shillong at the JN Stadium in order to give visitors to the festival a different feel altogether, where there will be a walk-in facility, and the entire stretch of the road leading to Polo Ground will be pedestrianized throughout the 2 days of the
Bamyo ya kajubab ka Bosco hun baladawa na ka sorkar. Kinoy alam ju kinoy hikay ad hoc kibadon hakashatri jong ka Federation of All School Teachers Association of Meghalaya, FASTOM. Kinoy alam kani ka seng haka artarik Nailur kilapun benapat ba bandon ka jingelang baro kinoy hikay ad hoc hamadan dobasi para tura haka khatlai tarik Nailur ar hajar ar husan. Kani ka jingelang kan sarai ya kikam kibadang ab ban pendep nangni shakmat laong uba Sanborn Jungai, Vice President FASTOM.
To deficit system or to the pattern deficit. As an ad hoc teachers, we are facing many problems. The reason of this problem is the low salary that we receive as teachers. For example, the lower primary school teachers, they are getting a salary of 18,000 per month. The upper primary, they are getting 22,000 per month. The secondary, they are getting 29,000 per month. Then the higher secondary, they are getting 33,000 per month. The science teacher, they are getting 31,000. And the Hindi teachers, who are appointed in the secondary level, they are getting only 18,000. So the main problems we just want to highlight here in front of everyone faced by the ad hoc teachers is number one, is providing education to our children. As an ad hoc teachers, we have been providing education to the thousands of the students in the state of Meghalaya. But when it comes to the education of our own children, especially in higher education, we are facing the problems. Before sending our children to the college level, first of all, we need to know how much is the fees. Not we are sending our child because of the college or the quality of the college. Now the second reason or the problems faced by ad hoc teachers is the health crisis or the medical expenses. As other human beings, we also as ad hoc teachers, we fall sick. And when we fall sick, what happens?
Badak itu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kapakut tat hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublay Shibun.